Great news for Nokia fans. If you're looking for an amazing mid-budget smartphone, with a 150-megapixel DSLR level camera and a powerful 7000 mAh battery, Nokia is about to make your wish come true. Nokia is one of the oldest and most legendary smartphone brands, and after staying low for a few years, it's now gearing up to launch this incredible smartphone, at an unbelievably affordable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Zeno Lite 5G. So, if you're excited to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today, we'll reveal its full specs, price, and launch date. Let's start. Features of Nokia Zeno Lite 5G. Display. This Nokia smartphone packs a massive 6.8-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, 390 Hz touch sampling rate, HDR10 Plus support, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. Plus, it comes with Gorilla Glass protection, and an IP68 rating for extra durability. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this phone is a monster. This phone comes with a quad rear camera setup, featuring a 150-megapixel primary sensor. Plus, a 50-megapixel periscope lens, 16-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, perfect for ultra-crisp shots. Performance. Under the hood, this beast runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring buttery smooth gaming and multitasking. And for software, you get the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery life. Here's the real deal. This phone comes with a massive 7000 mAh battery, which means 2 or 3 days of battery life on a single charge. And when you do need to juice up, it supports 125-watt fast charging with a USB Type-C Gen 2 port, so you're back to 100% in no time. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The expected price is around $750, which is a steal for these specs. As for the launch date, Nokia is expected to unveil this powerhouse in early 2026.